Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing video from Bead Box Bargains. So, let's see. This is actually 3 orders that came over a period of like 4 days. So, that's what I get for saying I'm taking a break. Right? Yeah, right. So, of course, every time they send you purchase something, you get a little freebie. Oh, this time it was some little glass leaves. Let's see here. Those are cute, and they have an AB on them. I think they're Czech. Possibly, maybe. They're side drilled. Oh, okay. They're a very cool color. I'll have to check to see if they're Czech. So this order, I'm going to show you the beads that I don't really love first, which is surprising because I always love beads from them, but this is the second order in a row that I wasn't just like super excited about what I got. These looked way better on the website. They're cool. They look fine. They're just not as, like the colors are as vibrant, but the striations aren't as noticeable as they were on the website. So I'd probably buy the red again. I might buy the blue again. It's just not my favorite color blue, although it's blue, so I like it. I like the green. And the brown is okay. I don't know that I would buy it again. But overall, these aren't as fantastic as I wanted them to be. Just based on the pictures. Am I happy that I have them? Yes, because I like beads and I love Czech beads. And they're still pretty. They just aren't what I was expecting. Next we have some blue, I don't know what these are called. Czech beads. Very cool shape. I have some of these in acrylic in this shape, but larger. And I saw them in Czech and I was like, oh, I have to have those. And they were pretty cool blue. And then I got the same beads in yellow, but I got 2 sets because I love yellow this year. Who doesn't? And they have like a brown around the edge. They're table cut. They're just such a good yellow. And then I got these, which is not normal. I mean, they had them in several different colors, but I really only wanted the red just because the red was, and now that I get them, they're orange. This whole time I thought they were red. I mean, they're very red orange, but they're definitely orange. Like if I put these next to each other, these are orange, these are red, which is okay. I'm still okay with that. I'm really into orange anyway. I had these next to something yesterday and I can't remember what I wanted to do with them. Oh goodness, it was something. Oh, I think it was, I ended up making these earrings in a different video, and I think I was considering putting these earrings with the yellow, or these Czech beads with the yellow shell from Anna, but I went ahead and used the abalone. So anyway, that's neither here nor there. But I like them. I love that color. Next we had some turquoise hearts. Of course I had to get some of those. I got 2 sets of 20. They're so yummy. They look like little candies. They look like little candies. Okay, and then they had bananas. Of course I had to go get them. I had to go get them. Like there wasn't a choice. You guys know I'm in love with the fruit right now. These look like runts, those candies. Love those. And then last in this segment of this order were these really big 22mm flowers. And if you watched, I don't know if that video is out yet, the video about classic elements, you would have known that I'm kind of obsessed with these big flowers right now, and these are gorgeous. This is the first time I pulled it out of a baggie. These are so pretty. All right, well, I thought the bananas were going to be my favorite, but this is absolutely my favorite from this order. It's so gorgeous. I'm going to have to make that into a bracelet. Lovely. Okay, We know we love the beads when we start singing. Okay, this was the second of 3 orders, and we have, what do we have here? Oh, chandeliers. These, honestly, I'm just probably gonna put these in the sale pile because I don't use chandeliers as much as I should. Maybe I'll keep 1 or 2. They're cute. They're cute. I got some little tulips. This is what prompted, is this what prompted that order? Yeah, I'll show you what prompted this order. I love this. This is one of my favorite shapes. Tulips are one of my favorite flowers. The other ones are Gerber daisies. Yeah, I love, love, love tulips. Got the tulips in this weird, like, pinky opalescent shade. Oh, some of them are more clear. So they're they're interesting. They're kind of like mixed. Very cool. And then I got 2 strands of these because, hello, my favorite color. Hello. And they're 8mm, and I think they're like dyed quartz. I'm almost positive they're dyed quartz. At this point, I've already gotten rid of the packing slip, sorry. But I just love them. They're that blue mint color. And I can never bring myself to use beads like this because it's my favorite color, and if I use them, I won't have them anymore. But I really do need to use them in something because I just love them so much. And then last but not least for this order, and you guys are probably going to like yell at me, maybe. This is all one color. I got, I think, 6 packs of them because I was obsessed. I said the only way I'm going to place another order is if they have orange tulips. Because I've been looking at these on Etsy for months, and Etsy's so expensive, and they had orange tulips. And I was like, oh God, I had to get them. So I got 6 of them. They were 30% off for 5 packs. So I just love the orange tulips. I already want to make a bracelet out of these. I don't really want to make earrings because I don't wear earrings, and I don't want to waste my beads on earrings that'll... This just sounds horrible. That'll go to somebody else. But they're my favorite beads. So that was the second order. And then the third order, the reason why I placed it was because, oh, actually, you know what? That was the third order. And that's what made me place it. So then the second order is this one. And we have some tulips, not tulips, bellflowers, and a nice like metallic silver, like an antique silver. Those are really cool. I really like those. I used to use those flowers all the time in my designs. I never use them anymore. I need to go back in time. All right, so I got a bunch of tulips in this one. This is what drove the second order, and then the orange tulips are what drove the third order. So we have some iridescent ones with a rust or like copper finish, like well, it has AB finish, but a copper inlay on the texture of the tulip. Those are awesome. Those are so cool. And then I had to get these because this is one of my favorite finishes on check beads. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. But you guys know this is one of my favorite finishes. I had this metallic rainbow. So it goes anywhere from blue all the way to gold, depending on what flowers. We didn't get a lot of blue in here. We have a bunch of purple and some gold, and I'm okay with that. I like the blue and green the most, but I still really love this finish. And let's see. I got these because, first of all, they're my favorite shape, but I thought they looked almost like a mustard color. They're yellow, but they're like an olivey mustard, like a Dijon mustard color, which I just think is so neat. This would go with a lot of my gemstones. It's more natural looking. I need to make a knotted necklace soon. I think these yellow beads, or I'm sorry, the tulip beads would be great on a knotted necklace. The issue with knotted necklaces is it takes forever, and I want to show you guys, but I don't want to film me making an entire knotted necklace, so I might just show you what I'm starting with, make a couple knots, and then make it off screen because it goes much faster that way. I got some fruit buttons. This also drove me buying this second order. I don't know what fruit that is. Is it apple? Maybe? Yeah. But I just thought they were really cool. You guys know I'm in love with fruit right now. I did see they have some lemons on their site. I already have some lemons from them, but the lemons I have are like sheer, and the ones they have on their site now are opaque, so I might have to go back. I'm waiting for an order that has a bunch of fruit stuff in it from Wyma, so we'll see. And then I didn't realize when I bought these that they were kind of orange. They're different than these though, very slightly. So these ones were apricot. If they still have them, I might get some more because they're really cool and they're a different orange color. I kind of just got them because I wanted to just see what they look like, and I just think they're really cool. Last set of tulips were some red, like crystal. I don't know the word, just see-through glass, but with some silver paint. So I love those. I think they look really nice through the light, like having the light come through them. They're really pretty. And then last but not least, some more of these really big flowers. I only got 2 of these. They're not cheap, but they are cheaper than they are in the stores around me and on Etsy, so that's why I got them. They're pink. They're like a pink pearl in there. It's so pretty. That's one hefty bead. So anyway, okay, so out of all the beads that I got here, my favorites are absolutely this bead, these orange tulips, which now that I'm looking at those together look great, my apple buttons, and probably these tulips, and then the quartz beads. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye-bye.
Hi, cutie.
Look at those little teeths. So cute. Yeah, you're so cute, Goldie.